Hi guys, and welcome back to AMS Performance UK. Today we're going to give you a bit of a snippet of what we've had in from yesterday into today. So check it out. Here is and I actually really like these vehicles for what they are. So this is the Porsche Cayman. It's in here for basically routine maintenance. On this particular occasion, the customer was complaining about light steering. He does a little bit of track work. So we assessed, got it onto the ramps, and we found that the suspension at the front, especially the bottom suspension arms, had a lot of play in them. So moving over to the parts themselves, once it was scanned onto the ramps, you have an array of components at the bottom which basically keep the front wheels in check and nice and tight. The bushes on these had completely perished, which was making the wheels basically float around in controlling the wheel at the time on the road, and including the bushes here as well. As you can see, there's lots of flex in that. Finished off with the actual suspension control steering. Again, these joints, these ones had gone all soft and wobbly, and same with that. So these were changed out. We've test driven the vehicle, and now it handles and it performs as it should do from how it left Porsche. So the customer, I'm sure, is going to be happy with this. But yeah, check it out, the Porsche Cayman S. So guys, thanks for watching today. I hope you like what we do. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. And again, for all your maintenance packages, servicing on anything to do with vehicles that need repairing or whatever it is, please get in touch.